Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can turn off your antivirus or the Windows antivirus. Now, don't turn off your Windows antivirus ever, because Windows actually has a good antivirus, and you can, if you want to download something or install something that's not being allowed, you can just go to your virus and threats and go to allowed threats, or you can just go to protection history and then just see what the threat is, and yeah, you can just press on learn more. Obviously, we don't want to learn more, we just want to allow the threat, but you can allow it. As you can see, actions, remove, quarantine, allow. You can do almost all of these, right? So but let's get back onto the topic, and I will be showing you guys on how you can just disable it. So you just want to virus and threat protection, just go to manage settings, turn this off, and that's about it. It won't yeah, just press on this, and that's your Windows security is gonna turn off as soon as you press on that. So I'm not gonna turn mine off, but yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.